Before watching this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel by clicking at the button below, so you won't miss any of our enjoyable content that uploads every day. Enjoy.
Love them or hate them, spiders and insects are all around us. In the garden, in the home, even lurking in your office. But like it or not, insects are here to stay. However, that doesn't stop millions of people from having a fear of spiders and insects. And chances are, if you're a parent, you will be called upon by your kids to get rid of these unwelcome guests. My Critter Catcher works safely, easily, and effectively to remove all unwanted insects and bugs from your home. Its unique capture-release handle means there is no mess on your walls, no expensive batteries to replace, and no harmful chemical pesticides, making My Critter Catcher hygienic, eco-friendly, cost-effective, and so easy to use. Its long handle keeps you at a safe and confident distance and allows you to get into all those awkward corners and hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. It's so user-friendly, even your children will love catching spiders and insects. My Critter Catcher works by surrounding the insect with 2 layers of soft bristles, which gently but securely captures and holds it in place, allowing you to transport it and release back into the outside world. With My Critter Catcher in your home, you can also safely remove all kinds of insects, including worms, daddy longlegs, wasps, stink bugs, and even butterflies, safely, easily, and without harm.
What'd you say about it?
Lifesaver the wheelbarrow. Shit. Almost drive like a Cadillac.
It's got some nice rims on it too.
I know. I was telling you, had back little trans on. Yeah, that's why I'm watching you.
Ironing sucks. Some things are outdated for good reason. Washboards disappeared a century ago. Brick phones belong in a museum. Heating water over a fire takes forever. So why are we still happy with ironing? Meet Effie. Effie is a new device that dries and irons your clothes in minutes. Just hang up your clothes, press start, and let it work its magic. It dries and irons your clothes using a pressing system, leaving them creaseless and ready to wear. The hangers adjust to fit all sizes, from your kids' school uniforms to dad's extra large shirts. Effie can be loaded up with up to 12 different items of clothing at once and irons each in under 3 minutes. Fill the tank with water and add a scent if you'd like. Then slide the tank into Effie. You can also add your loose socks and underwear to be dried. Keep track of it on your phone from anywhere. And come back when it's done and roll it away. So let's stop wasting our time ironing and leave things that belong in the past in the past.
Hey everybody, I'm Flip, the first conversicle of its kind. I'm an electric city bike and a cargo bike at the same time. I combine the best of both worlds. In normal use, you can ride me as comfortably as a common bike and I take up the same space. And Flip, I spontaneously turn into a cargo bike. Isn't that cool? Picking up parcels, sombrero, spontaneous shopping, photo equipment, cute babies, no problem at all. You're having a barbecue with friends and you're running out of drinks, 1/2 soft drinks, 1/2 beers, don't mix them. Cheers. I got a split. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. The usual bike rack is made for normal bikes. A common cargo bike is too long and too wide for it. And Flip. But let's have a look at the details. This guy is David, the inventor of the conversicle. During the last couple of years, he has worked a lot on the topic of mobility, studying industry design. One of the biggest problems, there are too many cars. An environmentally friendly answer is the cargo bike. However, those common cargo bikes aren't easy to handle in everyday life. But I, on the other hand, am compact and can spontaneously unfold, as you've already seen. Another advantage is that I have only 2 wheels. Now when you're riding a bike, you steer by tilting rather than using the handlebar. Now, if I had 3 wheels, I'd have to take much bigger turns. Unfolding is possible for me because I do not have 1, but 2 chains. The rear one unfolds together with the rear wheel. Really clever, don't you think? Did I actually mention that I have a removable battery? Today, David is working together with a whole team of engineers and bicycle professionals to get me in production. And this is where you come in. We need your support for achieving this goal. You want to do something for your health, for the environment, or a simpler everyday life? Then support the Conversicle so we got this one. Hey, ow! Sorry. Hey, give me the ball.